Today I'm going to share with you something I just learned about, and I think it will blow your mind. Thanks so much for sticking around, friends. My name's Nicole Smith. I'm a local realtor here in Metro Jax. And if you've been watching my channel, then you know what my content is. I love talking everything about real estate, what's going on in our city in the Metro Jacksonville area, what to do, lifestyle, what it's like to relocate here. So if you could like, comment, and subscribe, follow me, share, all these things add so much value to me and my channel. So let's get started. Maybe you've seen the videos where I'm touring brand new construction communities. And I love national builders. I've worked with several of them and I find them quite credible. I love the way they design communities. I love the fact that they have a system and it is everything. So today, what surprised me so much is the first time I'm ever working on the buyer side with an independent builder. And I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what one of their homes looks like in the Metro Jacksonville area. And you will be shocked. So let's go on a quick little tour. So as we enter into this home, you notice they have the glass on the door. This is an extra feature that most of the standard builders will charge you an upcharge, or it doesn't even come included. I love the neutral tone of the luxury vinyl. The entrance is a nice wide size. To your immediate left is one of the first bedrooms here. They have the blinds included and they have a nice closet. Notice that there's 2 switches. So they have wired this room. So if you want to put a ceiling fan, it's already ready to go, which is something I absolutely think is a must in Florida, is to have ceiling fans in the rooms. And the carpet here is a nice neutral tone. The wall color is neutral. Everything looks fresh. So they pre-planned this plan, built it. We have a closet here. And then right here in the hall is your AC unit. They have a Carrier brand and they have everything good to go here. Everything you need is in this closet, which is great for storage as well. It's nice and deep. The walls are textured, but they're not the orange peel. And then the ceiling is textured as well. So I like that feature. You have your standard baseboards. You go down the hall a little further, you have your linen closet, which is a nice generous size. And here we have bedroom 2. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. And they have really thought of everything. Even wiring for telephone, or maybe that could be for your computer. You have the alarms in every room, which is so important, the smoke alarm. And then our next stop is the shared bathroom. Now one feature I want to show you is it has an enclosed shower tub combo. But this is a nice tall cabinet with handles. Under-mounted sink. You've got your granite top, which is nice. Towel bars. And your toilet paper holders. Some builders don't even offer that. So I think that is a nice bonus. And they have a very neutral light fixture and a very quiet ceiling fan in here. I love that feature. Next we have your open concept living, dining, and kitchen. Notice there is a ceiling fan in this room. Most builders are not including that. Another feature I want to you to notice is these pendant lights. Often they're just wired for pendant lights. These ones are actually installed. Another feature, look at the cabinets. They're all the way to the ceiling. They're really tall. That is something a lot of builders don't offer. We have the granite countertops here also in the kitchen. And the appliances are going to be delivered before closing, but they are all going to be the stainless steel. And you notice the laminate flooring all the way into the living, dining, and kitchen area, which I love. So only the bedrooms have carpet. You have a very nice size sliding door. And the cement pad that they put out on here is bigger than a lot of what builders offer you. Now this house happens to be on a septic tank and a well, so that's a different feature because we are way out on the west side. It almost feels like the country. But they also have homes in the city of Jacksonville, so don't worry about that. This is the owner suite. Noticed again, they have a ceiling fan in here. The blinds are already installed. A lot of can lights, a lot of lighting, so you're not paying extra. Then you have a pretty good walk-in closet here. The one other item I like here in the owner suite, got the double sink with the granite, tall ceilings, the tile here on the floor, another linen closet in here, and a beautiful glass shower door. They have a vented window, which I think that is a fabulous feature. With the niche, everything looks really well done. The craftsmanship here is quite nice. The garage, on your way to the garage from the kitchen is your laundry room. So we are all set up here for that. Everything's finished. We have the laminate flooring in here. And the garage is painted, which is also another feature a lot of builders don't do. So we have your hot water tank out here. And because it's hard water in a well, the builders actually installed the water system for softening. So that is absolutely a great feature that I've never really seen in a builder before. They also have a whole irrigation system. This builder has thought of everything. So if you're thinking that new construction only can be with the big box builders, you're absolutely wrong. And I learned something new. So you can see how we're kind of far out. Every house is a little different here. Got a lot of lot here. So you're getting more bang for your buck out here. Almost feels like you're in the country still. So the exciting thing about this builder is that they're willing to negotiate. They buy lots in random spots across the city, across the area, and then they build. So if a good floor plan is working for them, they're going to duplicate it. So if this house piqued your interest, and did I tell you that it was under $300,000? It's under $300,000 for all these features and benefits. Let's get together so I can share their inventory with you. So what have I learned? That you don't have to go with an international builder to get a great house. They are willing to negotiate, and of course, being that I'm the realtor, I'm willing to do whatever I need to do to help you get the best deal for your home. So reach out to me today so we can get you started. Whether you're looking for a national builder or one of these independent builders that makes some really nice quality homes with great quality features, I would love to be your go-to agent. My name's Nicole Smith. I'm a local realtor here in Metro Jacksonville, and I think that life is too short not to love where you're living. And I'm living the dream in Jacksonville, Florida, all the way from Canada. God has blessed me tremendously, and I love helping people. So let me help you make your next move. Thanks for watching, friends. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a message below to tell me if this might be the house or the builder for you. Have a great day.